of putting out videos that barely get views? Want to earn real money on YouTube but don't know which niche to pick? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to find a high-paying YouTube niche that actually grows. One that brings views, subscribers, and income. First, you need to know what makes a niche profitable. High-paying niches usually have advertisers willing to pay more per click. They also have high audience interest and products or services people spend money on. Examples: finance, tech, health, education, luxury, and business. These niches attract high CPMs. That's how YouTube pays more per view. Next, don't just pick a niche for money. You also need passion. Ask yourself, can I talk about this topic for years? Do I know something others would value? A niche that combines high demand and your expertise or interest is a winner. For example, if you love tech gadgets, creating reviews and tutorials can bring both growth and money. Before you commit, research your niche. Use YouTube search and trending tabs to see what's popular. Check Google Trends for interest over time. Analyze competitors. Are they growing? What topics get engagement? This step saves months of wasted effort. Don't guess, look at the data. Big niches like finance or fitness are competitive. The secret? Sub-niches? Finance can be personal budgeting for students. Fitness can be home workouts for busy moms. Tech can be smartphone reviews for beginners. Sub-niches help you stand out, grow faster, and attract a loyal audience. So remember, high-paying niches equal demand, advertiser interest, and your passion. Also, make sure to validate with research and narrow down to a sub-niche. Pick the right niche, create consistent content, and watch your YouTube channel grow, all while earning more. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I'll show you how to turn that niche into actual income in the next video. Good luck. See you soon.